Hidden deep in the shade of the jungle, the cacao bean begins a slow, powerful awakening.
The first cacao sprout breaks the surface, appearing with two tiny, bronze-tinted green cotyledon leaves.
Resilience starts here. The cacao bean has enough stored energy to build the foundation of a centenarian canopy.
The cacao tree does not race to the light. It builds a strong foundation, preparing for a future that will hang directly from its ancient wood.
Specialized for shade. These leaves are the cacao tree's massive solar panels, filtering the jungle sun with waxy precision.
This is Cauliflory, the tree of flowers. The cacao trunk itself becomes the birthplace of life.
The complex cacao flower opens fully, revealing 5 staminodes, 5 anthers, and delicate white petals.
No bees here. The cacao tree relies on a microscopic midge, performing the sacred task within a blossom only millimeters wide.
The tiny green ovary at the base of the flower swells, forming the young cacao pod.
Detailed shot of the 4 large, persistent sepals at the base of the developing green cacao pod.
Rainwater cleanses the cacao clusters, the droplets rolling off the smooth green husks. Humidity is the tree's breath. This environment synthesizes powerful antioxidants and unique flavor precursors. The cacao pod reaches full size, dwarfing the original flower scars on the trunk.
Within this green vault, 30 to 50 individual cacao beans are accumulating their complex sugars.
Maturity begins with a light show. The chlorophyll retreats, revealing a golden dawn.
Đây đó anh bạn mà kia đây.
The bond must be unbreakable. A single cacao pod can weigh nearly a kilogram, yet its anchor is a tiny piece of wood.
This is not just fruit energy. The cacao bean is a concentrator of the rainforest's ancient nutrition.
The queen has arrived, a perfect balance of sweet pulp and concentrated beans, hidden in a royal vault. The waits are over. Experience the ultimate Amazon gem revealed on Harvest Motion.
The alchemy of heat. Fermentation transforms simple sugars into the deep complexity of Sokola flavor precursors.
Nature's perfect finish. Solar heat draws out volatility, locking in antioxidants and flavor precursors.
The cacao bean color deepens into a uniform, dark, rich brown. Legacy in the soil. The next generation grows in the footsteps of a century of flavor.
The smallest gesture creates the greatest treasure. Genesis motion captures every detail of nature's alchemy. The misty canopy of the cacao orchard stand as a monument of endurance and sustainable agriculture.
Sunlight filters through the racemes, making the cream flowers look like glowing lanterns.
Experience the essence of chocolate genesis. Witness the flavor journey revealed on Harvest Motion.